he built a self-sufficient community, referring to Black Americans as the original Asiatic black men, emphasizing their identity and heritage. Master Fard Muhammad's teachings, presented as a way of life, aimed to liberate Black Americans from the chains of a prejudiced society. At the heart of the NOI's teachings was the belief that Black Americans were the Earth's original inhabitants, descended directly from God and occupying a vital role in the divine hierarchy. This narrative aimed to alter the historical portrayal of Black Americans, presenting them not as descendants of the enslaved, but as heirs to a rich divine legacy. The Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's mission extended beyond spiritual and social upliftment to include economic empowerment. He advocated for the establishment of Black-owned businesses and the acquisition of land as a means to achieve economic independence. The encouragement to start and support Black-owned businesses was aimed at creating a self-sufficient economic ecosystem within the Black community. This initiative was part of a broader strategy to circumvent the economic barriers imposed by a racially biased society. The Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad saw land ownership as a critical step towards true autonomy and freedom. By owning land, Blacks could produce their own food, control their economic resources, and create communities based on the principles of Islam. This approach was revolutionary, proposing a tangible path to liberation through economic means. The Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad placed a strong emphasis on economic independence as a fundamental aspect of his leadership in the NOI. He championed the establishment of NOI-owned enterprises and inspired members to launch their own businesses, with the goal of building economic resilience and self-reliance among the Black community. To support this goal, the NOI, under the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's guidance, established a wide array of businesses and educational initiatives, including the Muhammad University of Islam schools. These institutions provided education that included NOI teachings and academic subjects not typically emphasized in public schools, such as Black history, mathematics, science, religion, and identity. Agriculture and farming. The NOI acquired farmland in several states, engaging in crop production and livestock farming to support food self-sufficiency and promote healthy living. Retail operations. Bakeries, offering fresh-baked goods to the community. Grocery stores, providing a range of products including those produced on NOI farms, catering to the nutritional and dietary preferences of the Black community. Clothing outlets, selling apparel that aligns with the values and identity of the NOI and the broader Black community. The fish importation program, an ambitious economic venture that involved importing large quantities of fish to be sold by NOI members across the United States, providing a healthy food source at affordable prices. Real estate. Residential properties, including apartment buildings, to offer affordable housing for members and generate income for the nation. Commercial properties, used for NOI businesses and as community centers. Transportation. An airplane used for Elijah Muhammad's travel and other official NOI business. Vehicles, including trucks, for transporting farm produce and fish as part of the NOI's food programs. Media and communications. Printing and publishing.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.